Hey guys! Welcome back to Cooking with Philly, Family Holiday Edition. Today I'm with my sisters and we're making Triple Seafood Casserole. I'm here with all of my sisters. We're in age order, so it's Elena, Priscilla, Isabel, Julia, and me.
So these are all the ingredients you're going to need, and they're going to be listed over here on this side of the screen.
Okay, so let's get started. First off, we want to have 1 bag of medium Philly shrimp and go ahead and peel and vein it. Then we are going to combine 1 cup of dry white wine, then 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 medium onion thinly sliced, 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, and go ahead and bring that to a boil.
Okay, so now we're gonna add in your 1 pound of the Philly medium-sized shrimp. You're gonna add in your 1 pound of scallops. You're gonna cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until the shrimp are nice and pink. Okay, so now that our shrimp and scallops are done, we're gonna go ahead and drain everything in our pot into a colander, and we're gonna get 2/3 cups of the broth and set it aside. So now we're gonna get 2/3 cup of our remaining broth and we're gonna just set it aside. Alrighty, so let's set this aside. Okay, so we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of butter in low heat on our Dutch oven. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our flour. We're gonna have 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and we're gonna go ahead and add that in. And you wanna whisk frequently. And so guys, what is one thing y'all would say is y'all's favorite thing about the holidays? Favorite memory, actually.
I think that our holidays are always super special because we always, I guess with such a huge family, obviously there are 6 of us, and then we have 40 first cousins on our mom's side. And every year at Christmas time, we start off our holiday by gathering all kinds of food, and we put packages together and we go and deliver it to different families around town, and we all get in the back of the truck and we sing Christmas carols while we're delivering, and that's always, I feel like, a great time and, you know, a great tradition that we've carried on. And I don't know, I'm kind of sad. I don't know if that's something we're going to do this year with COVID, but it's really been a great memory, I think.
Yes. So now we're gonna go ahead and add our 1 cup of half and half, and we're gonna wanna mix that on medium heat until it's smooth and bubbly. Okay, you can see it's starting to get a little bit thick, and so that's what we want. So we're just gonna wait until it bubbles a little bit to add in our Swiss cheese.
Okay, so now it looks like we're good to add in our half cup of Swiss cheese. And then we're gonna add in all the saved liquid from earlier,
Which is about 2/3 cup.
and then we're gonna add in our lemon juice and a little bit of pepper.
Okay. Okay, girls. So there's 5 of us. There's 5 of us plus mom. Who do we think is the best cook out of the 6 women in our family?
Me, Dad.
I think it's truly my dad, but girl-wise,
Yeah.
Ava.
Ava is a bomb cook.
Yes.
I think Ava gets it for the cooking. Elena's an amazing cook also.
I think you're a good cook.
I stick more to the baking.
Yeah, you're the
We don't cook.
Julia and Isabel are the middles that don't cook. They're the best taste testers. You know, we'll have a cooking contest and they are the critiques. So
Yes, we love being the judges.
No, but mom cooks good too.
Mom cooks really good too.
Okay, so now we're gonna add in a half cup of crab meat.
Yeah,
Or
you
broken
definitely want to fold this over. Or fold it in instead of stirring.
And then now we're gonna add in the mixture that we made earlier.
Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and get your grease pan and pour in your mixture into there, and you're gonna wanna cover it and bake at 350 for 40 minutes. And right before you cover it, you're gonna want to add your 1 cup of breadcrumbs and 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese to the top, and then cover it with foil and let it bake. pass it down.
All right, now we're gonna go ahead and pop it in the oven. We're gonna wanna cook it for about 40 minutes or until it gets bubbly. All right, so since it's been 40 minutes and you can see that it's bubbling, once you see it's bubbling, you're gonna wanna uncover it for about 5 minutes and then go ahead and pull it up. All right, now that we have it out, right before serving, you're gonna wanna let it sit for about 10 minutes and then it's good to go. It serves for about 6 people.
So Julia,
What?
what was your favorite Christmas?
I don't have a specific favorite Christmas, but my favorite memory was whenever we got home from my grandma's house and we had this green carpet.
Girl, that's mine too.
That was mine. I love that Christmas.
Wait,
And
finish the story.
basically,
Finish the story.
My dad has these big
No,
work
excuse
boots.
me, no. Santa Claus came and there was snow boot prints in the green carpet, and I was skeptical about Santa at that age, but when I saw those snow prints in the carpet, I said, he has to be real.
Some of my favorite Christmas memories is when my parents, there's 6 of us, would put us in their Suburban and we would drive, 14 hours?
14
Yeah.
hours to Taos, New Mexico. The whole time, everyone's singing, harmonizing.
My dad hates us on road trips.
He's trying to drive, and then we're just in the back. All right, let's do it again, ladies. Let's start it.
With our angelic voices. Should we hit it for the one time, guys?
No, thank you.
Make sure to try this fun and delicious recipe. It's perfect for the holidays, and remember to always keep it wild.
Happy holidays!